Ever wonder if you can upload songs created with Suno AI to YouTube? Well, it's not as simple as it seems. Suno AI is an exciting new tool for making music, but if you are thinking of uploading those tracks to YouTube, there are a few important things to keep in mind. First of all, there's the big question of copyright. AI tools like Suno may generate unique music, but depending on the sound samples and styles used, the rights to those creations can be tricky. It's best to check Suno's terms of service or licensing agreements to make sure you are not violating any rules. Some platforms allow you to use the content as long as you follow their guidelines, but in many cases, you may need permission if you are monetizing your channel or if the song sounds like another copyrighted piece. So before hitting that upload button, remember to check Sono's guidelines, get permission if needed, and avoid uploading anything that could be mistaken for an exciting song. Stay creative, stay informed, and let's keep pushing the boundaries of AI music responsibly.